After completing the 7-step audio grade quiz, you are now ready to create grade items and categories. Start with Create New Grade Category. For this course, I am choosing to establish a category called Discussion Boards. I add a description. Because this seems so redundant, I'm not going to allow users to view the description. I do not allow grading to exceed the number of points already allocated or that I plan to already allocate. And I will not exclude these from the final grade calculation because it will be part of my syllabus in terms of participating in discussion boards. We'll go ahead and allow 10 points per item at this time. And now I can simply save and close. However, within my discussion boards, I want to create establish new grade items. I can choose the grade item type, numeric, pass-fail, a formula, calculated, or text. I will select numeric. I will call 1 Discussion Board Week 1. It's in the category of discussion boards, a maximum number of 10. They cannot exceed the number of points. There'll be no bonus points, and I will not exclude them from the final grade calculation. At this time, I choose not to establish a rubric, and because I'm not finished creating my discussion board items, I'll copy the discussion board for week 1. I'm going to create a new one. I want to save and create a new one. Also a numeric. I'm pasting that in. I'm going to change the week to 2, and I'm going to add it to the discussion boards. Again, maintaining the same setup so that I am internally consistent with my grade items. Now I choose to save and close. So now I have a category with each week's discussion items. Both were a maximum of 10 points. Now I want to select my color scheme. Start with a %0, so that would be an F. D begins with 60. A C begins with 70. I'll add 2. A B begins with 80. And an A begins with 90. This is what the grade book looks like. You can see the discussion boards, where I can choose to grade, and I can see the final calculated score. I will not show you how to enter grades at this time so that I can protect the identity of my students.